Greetings, powerhouses, and welcome. Okay, so today's principle is an awesome one, and it is how to make any problem into an accomplishment. Most people, when they think of their problems, they feel so frustrated because they feel like this is painful, this should not be, I can't stand this, why did this happen? But remember, we live in a world of duality. You can't have an in without an out. You can't have an up without a down. Can't have a left without a right. Can't have a negative situation without there also being a positive. The issue is most people don't use this. See, when you have a problem, it's not just the forces of the universe being pitted against you. It is an opportunity for expansion. You have to seize that opportunity by using it to get crystal clear about what is it that you want. See, most people are so busy thinking about what they don't want that they never get to use the opportunity to get that clarity about, okay, well, what do I want instead of this? And so you want to get crystal clear when there's something that is just egging you, it's annoying you, you feel like it's so frustrating, and you feel like it should not be. Think about, okay, great, what do I want instead? And ask yourself, instead of this, what do I want? Why do I want it? And what do I need to do in order to have it? What's the price that I would have to pay in order to have it? A lot of times it'll simply be the opposite of whatever frustration you're going through. Now, of course, as always, this is much easier said than done. And if you're not already working with one of our great coaches, then reach out to us at www.inneraccess.net so you can expand your support team and actually be able to put this into play. But in the meantime, on your own, make a habit to use your frustration such that whenever you feel like, oh, this should not be happening, or I don't like this, or this is bad, think about, okay, what's great about this and how can I use this to create what I want? If you do that, you'll be making miracles and great accomplishments happen left and right anytime you notice you're frustrated. In fact, you'll actually start to get excited when you're frustrated because you know a breakthrough is on the way. So on behalf of myself, the Genie, and the entire Interaccess team, much love, many blessings, peace. Remember to look for the great accomplishment on the other side of every problem. And we'll talk to you soon.